Imagine setting yourself a simple financial goal at the beginning of the year. You decide to spend less, avoid unnecessary purchases, and build a larger savings balance by the end of 12 months. The strategy feels sensible because spending less should naturally leave more money available for future. Yet many people reach the end of the year feeling confused. They resisted impulse purchases, postponed upgrades, and carefully watched every expense, but their financial position seems almost unchanged. This surprising outcome reveals an important principle that personal finance often overlooks. Saving money is essential, but saving alone does not always create greater wealth because money operates inside a larger system shaped by inflation, maintenance, productivity, and time. Understanding that system changes the way every financial decision is evaluated. Our brains naturally focus on immediate costs, while ignoring costs that develop slowly over months or years. Behavioral economists describe this as a tendency to value present outcomes more heavily than future ones. Paying for something today creates an immediate emotional reaction, while avoiding a future expense provides no instant reward, because that future problem has not yet appeared. As a result, choosing not to spend often feels responsible, even when delaying an important purchase quietly increases future costs. Mathematics, however, does not respond to emotion. Every financial choice continues producing consequences long after the feeling of saving money has disappeared. Imagine a homeowner discovering a small leak beneath the kitchen sink. Repairing it immediately requires only a modest amount of money, so delaying the repair appears to preserve cash. Weeks pass, moisture spreads to surrounding wood, mold develops inside the cabinet, and eventually damaged flooring and plumbing require extensive replacement. The original decision successfully avoided one small payment, yet also created several much larger expenses. The account balance temporarily looked healthier, but the hidden financial obligation continued growing unnoticed in the background. The same pattern appears with personal transportation. One driver follows regular maintenance schedules, replacing worn parts before they fail. Another postpones every service appointment to reduce monthly expenses. During the first year, the second driver appears more financially disciplined because less money leaves the bank account. Over time, neglected maintenance often leads to expensive repairs, lower fuel efficiency, unexpected breakdowns, and reduced resale value. What originally looked like successful savings slowly transforms into greater long-term spending because delaying maintenance allowed small problems to become expensive ones. Inflation introduces another hidden equation. Money stored safely in a savings account usually keeps the same numerical value, but its purchasing power changes as prices gradually increase. The balance displayed on a screen may continue growing, yet each dollar may buy slightly less than before. This does not mean saving is a mistake. Emergency savings remain one of the strongest foundations of financial security. Instead, it reminds us that financial progress should be measured not only by the amount of money saved, but also by what that money will be able to purchase in the future. Another invisible force is opportunity cost. Every financial decision includes not only what money is spent on, but also what possibilities are given up. Imagine refusing to purchase software that saves 5 hours every week because preserving cash feels like the wiser decision. After an entire year, those lost hours accumulate into valuable time that could have been invested in developing skills, completing additional work, improving health, or simply enjoying more personal freedom. The decision reduced spending, but it quietly consumed another resource that cannot be replaced. Businesses frequently understand this principle because they evaluate purchases according to long-term productivity rather than immediate expense. A company may invest heavily in better equipment because calculations show increased efficiency, lower operating costs, and improved output over many years. The purchase appears expensive today, yet becomes economical when viewed across its entire lifespan. Individuals often evaluate purchases differently because monthly budgets encourage minimizing expenses instead of maximizing lifetime value. The deeper lesson is that saving money should never be confused with avoiding every expense. Some costs reduce future risks, improve productivity, protect valuable assets, or preserve time. Those expenses often strengthen financial stability instead of weakening it. Looking only at today's payment hides tomorrow's equation because financial systems reward decisions that reduce future liabilities rather than simply delaying them. The strongest financial habits combine discipline with long-term thinking. Spending less remains valuable, but spending wisely is often even more important. When every purchase is examined through combined lenses of psychology, mathematics, inflation, maintenance, and opportunity cost, saving becomes something much larger than simply keeping cash in a bank account. It becomes a practice of protecting future purchasing power, reducing future expenses before they appear, and making decisions that strengthen financial resilience over time. True wealth is rarely determined by how much money you avoid spending today, but by how effectively today's decisions improve tomorrow's financial position. Every thoughtful financial choice is not just about saving money. It is about building a stronger, more resilient future one decision at a time.